Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wannan shine video namu na tara a cikin wannan series da muke mai suna koyi Python. Kamar yadda na faɗa, insha Allah zai bayani akan Python tun daga farko har zuwa gwargwado abin da ya kamata a ce mutum ya sani a ciki. Idan ba za ku manta ba, video namu na ƙarshe na yi bayani ne akan operators. Na bayani kan me operators yake nufi, na kuma yi mentioning some of the categories na operators da muke da su. Yau cikin video namu insha Allah zan yi bayani ne akan ɗaya daga cikin categories na operators da muke da su wanda ake kira arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Da jin sunan na san most of you realize cewa idan aka ce arithmetics ana magana kan simple, kamar yace simple arithmetics shine mutane suke yawan ji. So wannan operator ne da ake amfani da shi domin a yi calculating ko a hada ɗaya daga variables ɗaya ko biyu ko sama da biyu a wuri guda. Kuma kamar da muka san su shine yana da when the symbols in the under wannan arithmetic operators in muna da symbols na, muna da addition ga symbol nashi nan, muna da subtraction ga symbol nashi nan, muna da multiplication ga symbol nashi nan, that is asterisk, muna da division ga symbol nashi nan forward slash, sannan muna da remainder ko kace ko mu ce mai ko kuma remainder slash modulus. Yes, that's I believe wannan shine new one. So shine wannan da muke gani shine percentage da mutane suke cewa percentage. So akwai others, but let's focus on this. I'm not going to talk about the exponent and floor division. I'm not going to talk about those ones because don't mind it. Those that studied maybe statistics, mathematics, they knew that, but let's focus on this saboda mu fahimci waɗannan da kyau mu san da suke amfani. Su ne za mu yi bayani kai insha Allah cikin wannan video. I will just make this to be marked down. Let's make them to be marked down so that we'll just keep working with them. So I will insert another column below. So I know kun sai da za ku yi wannan da kanku ba sai na nuna muku ba saboda mun yi bayani kan Jupyter da yadda za ka yi increase adding cell, ka yi deleting cell da sauransu. So abu na farko da za mu yi creating variable mu rubuta mai a. Let me just call it a, or let's just give any kalma da za mu yi amfani da ita, but let's use a. Is very simple, and I'll just say variable a is equal to let's say 78. Yeah, 78. Then I'll press enter. I didn't run it, but if I want to run it, I'll just click shift enter, but I didn't run it. Or let me just run it. Then variable b, then I will make it to be 120. That's what I'm going to do. Variable a is 78, variable b is 120. I'll run it again by pressing shift enter. So I press shift enter, that is I run it. So now what I'm going to do is zanyi amfani da addition. That's what we are going to use first in order for us to put the to use the symbol na addition. So I'm going to say print. Mun riga na faɗa muku lokacin da mutum yake so ya print result zai amfani da print, sai click in open bracket. A cikin open bracket zai rubuta duk abin da yake so ya printing. So now we want to print a plus, that is we want to merge a and b, so we want to use the symbol na addition, a plus b. That's what we want because we want the expression to tell us a plus b. So that's if we did that, zai hada mu na a da b wuri guda ya ba mu result. Let me press shift enter, ya ba mu 198. That's the result of a plus b. So yanzu kun ga result namu nan ya ba mu 198. Yanzu abin da za mu yi, let's say for example muna so mu yi adding wani information maybe ya ce muna the result is 198 muna so mu yi amfani da wannan muna so mu sa string a cikin results in. So I already show you if you want to print anything, if it is a string you have to put it inside double quote. So inside double quote in nan zamu iya cewa the result is, then mu ba da space a ciki, then we put comma. We are done with this expression, then sai kawai mu ce a plus b. So now it's going to give us the result is 198 because that's 198. So let me just press it. It gives us the result is 198. So now let me remove this. Okay, so that it will be like this. Okay, yeah, I don't need to put that space because to put this space for us since we put comma automatically. So now if I change, do look and then I change the one kalma misali, let me just change this to 89 and I will change this to 11. I will run this, then I will run this also. Idan na zo yanzu na run one and last one in, it will just change the result is 100. So whatever I did, they change my result ina kuma zai bani wannan operation in na plus. So don't forget this is the plus. It's not only to add and this whatever duk lokacin da kake so ka yi amfani da addition kawai za ka yi amfani da sunayen variables in, ba za ka yi amfani da, in kana so kuma ka yi amfani da number. For example, now I want to add a specific number, so I'm just going to say a plus 30. If I press it now, it will give me 41 because a is what? A is 11. 30 plus 41, it will give me what? Zai bani 40. 30 plus 11 zai bani 41. So do look at it. A yanzu na sa 100 here or 190. Zai bani wannan. So it will take a stand for 11 since you understand kowa fahimci variable. A stand for 11, b kuma stand for 89. So now if I remove this and I put b stand for 89, then it will give us, okay, sorry, I put it capital letter B, you see arrow, so you have to put a small letter the way it is, then I press it, it gives us 100. So this is something that please you can practice it. I introduced this new one for you. One day idan kana so kai add wani information gaba ko baya, you can add that information. Kana iya cewa print, for example, let me just use this again, print, let's say zan ce let's say a plus b, let's say a plus b comma is the result. Then if I press it, it gives us a 100 is the result. So now if I change the letter, now I make this to be 1200 and I come back, I refresh this, it's going to say 1211 is the result. So wannan haka ake amfani da shi. Please practice this. It's very simple. It's very simple. All what I introduce new one for you yanzu wannan shine wanda bai kalle da muka yi variables ba, please go back to the video da muka yi na variables, ka sai da muka yi declaring variables, sai ka dawo ka dinga wannan duka, bai da wani wahala, sauki gare sosai kuma kowa yana iya yi ne, bai da wani issue. So this is the result and this is what we got, and we use this addition sign to do this. The next thing is for us to use the subtraction sign. That is, we want to print, let's say a minus b. So that's what I'm going to do. So now if I press it, it will give me minus 1189 because b is bigger than a. So now let's just change it to a, that is b minus a. It will give us 1189. So that's how you use the minus to do this. So let's for multiplication, let's move for multiplication. So as for multiplication, we can just print a multiplication, that is asterisk b. Now if I press enter, it gives us this. If I have, yanzu misali idan ina da variables there, let's say I want to create let me insert another cell here. I want to create c. Let's say c is 78. So let me run c. Now if in the zone a multiply by b, or let's say a multiply by c, you see it gives us this. I can remove it and I can say a plus c plus b, then it will give us the total of all of them. So idan ina da variables da yawa, ina iya creating addition in da yawa ko multiplication in there. A minus c minus b, let's put it, it gives us minus 1200 and something. So that's for subtraction. Okay, we did subtraction, now we are on multiplication. So a multiply by c and by this, then it will give you this. So let's use the division. So for division, you already know it. It's simple, just print the answer. So you are going to say print a divide c. Now if I press it, it will give us 0.1411 there. Or I can say print a by b multiply, it will give us this. Or we say print b by a, it will give us this. So wannan shine yadda zaka yi division. The last one da zamu yi wanda shine new one gare ku shine modulus ko kuma reminder. Me wannan modulus din yake yi duk lokacin da kai amfani da shi ka haɗa nambobi guda biyu, abinda result inda zai baka reminder inda zai rage idan aka raba nambobin gida biyu. Me nake nufi da haka? Idan yanzu na ce 10 divided by 3, abinda zai bamu is 1, because idan ka raba 10 ga mutum uku zai bada 333, me zai rage 1. So idan kai amfani da modulus zai baka 1 ne kawai, ba zai baka as in 10 divided by 3 point something. No, it's not a division, it's just giving a reminder. Kamar da kuka gani ya ce reminder, that what it gives us, that what modulus did. So now if I said let me just create another variable. Let me say variable j. I will just say j is equals to 10. I will just let me just run it. Then I will say jk is equals to 3. Then I will run it. So now if I say print j modulus k, what is going to give me? It's going to give me 1, because the remainder is 1. Abunda zai rage 1 ne, so shine abunda wannan modulus din yake. So please try this and create a lot. Try this and create a lot. I don't want the video ya zama too lengthy in ta baku misali da yawa, misalai da yawa. Just try your best and keep creating different things. Add a text. No, now I put a string for you, because now in the answer I can say print let me say the modulus result is comma, then I put j modulus k. Now if I press enter, it will give us the modulus result is 1. So you see, it's very easy. If I want to add another one, I just put comma and say 1 what did I put in front of 1? Let's say 1. I don't know what to put. I just put the modulus result is 1. Let's say we are sure. Let me just put, I just want to create something. You see, the result will be at the middle. I just want to create this for you so that you will see our result is at the middle. The result is at the middle. So you can create this text and do a lot of things that you want, please, using this. So this is where we are going to stop in this video. Abunda mutum bai gane ba ya sake kallo saboda bai da wahala sosai. Just mutum ya sake kallo. I don't expect it, maybe kana kallo so ɗaya ka iya. Just you have to rewatch the video so that you will have more understanding on these arithmetic operators. Inshallah na zamu tsaya da fata Allah ka samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.